friends, so welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video.
Whoa, almost paradise. We're knocking on heaven's door. Almost paradise. How could we ask for more? I swear that I can see forever in your eyes.
So in this video we are still in Hawaii, and today we are hopefully going to go to a waterfall we can swim in. So it is currently 7:58 a.m. and we are going to try to use the bus system. And Lexi's never been on a bus, I guess.
No.
So we'll see how this goes. And like I don't really know how Honolulu's works that well.
It's hard to believe. How is a whole bus ride just $2.50? Like, I don't understand this.
She doesn't
I know
understand
it's-
public transportation.
Well, it's taking longer, so there's that.
Yeah, like my bus pass I pay for like 3 months is only $40 for any time I want. Anyways, so we are gonna go head out and everything. The only problem is I don't have cash that much. Like I only have large bills, and like on buses they only accept like exact change. So
Wait, exact change? I have a $5 bill.
yeah, so like you'll pay $5 for both of us one way, and I'll pay $5 for both of us the other way.
Okay.
Anyway, so we're gonna head out right now. Like this first time on a bus. Woo! The name of this is Hala. We're almost there now. How was the bus ride?
Bumpy.
Very bumpy. They need to fix these roads.
This is way better than taking a $50 Uber.
Yeah, we paid $5 for this to get all the way across the island.
We're gonna do it for a Wani, baby.
Okay, y'all, so we got off the bus, and turns out our other bus was in front of our bus that we were supposed to get on. So we're waiting for the next one, which comes in about 20 minutes. But we stopped at this cute little beachy area. So look at all the crabbies. Oh, so cute. Lexi loves them.
They're freaking big, like.
Oh my god.
I hate you.
You are running.
Give me a heart attack.
No, they're probably more scared of you. It's okay.
Oh God.
They're so cute. No, it's not. Okay, y'all. So our bus should be. Oh, there it is. There it is. We've been hearing weird animal noises, and it's freaking out Lexi.
It says 60.
Yeah, that says 60. Lexi doesn't have her glasses on, like always.
I can't read.
Okay, we have made it to Waimea Valley.
We just gotta find the waterfall.
Yeah, we gotta find the waterfall, but first we're gonna eat lunch somewhere, so yes. But we have made it.
Breathe. Okay, go.
Lexi, it's okay. Aww. They're so cute. Lexi sounds cute. If you don't know, Lexi's scared of any type of bird creature. Okay. We're still walking. We have found somewhat of an entrance. We found a sign, so that's positive. No more geese yet. There's cactus. So pretty. Lexi's down. We see somewhat of a building forming. I don't know. We're trying to find the parking lot right now. Lexi thinks it's by the parking lot, so I better catch up. She's way up there. So pretty. Beautiful nature. We're in the rainforest. We found a building, so that is a positive. Brilliant lighting right now. Okay, we got some Aloha made juice, strawberry guava, 10 out of 10. Looks we got a brisket sandwich. She has yet to try it. I got a shrimp po' boy, so we will see how that is as well. Okay, I got my shrimp po' boy. They have this spicy mayo, and it's actually not spicy, but it's good. So, how's your sandwich? Good. Okay, we are in the valley.
It's not comfortable.
Anyways, so we are
Water outfit. The baby's for water outfit, and then the mom.
okay, anyways, we are in the valley, and walking to the waterfall. Look how pretty! Yeah, these are avatar trees.
And they look like exactly like they put in Pandora.
Literally. They probably went here and mimicked it off of them.
That's what they do.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
It was like every Ohioan ever. They see a steep hill and they're like, imagine sledding down.
Well, yeah, imagine sledding down this hill.
We look at the hill on the side of the drive and we're like, imagine sledding down on in winter.
Literally though, everyone says that. They're like, imagine sledding down.
It's the same thing with like a steep driveway. Every Midwestern dad, imagine that with the snow.
Waterfall, here we go.
Let's take a selfie.
Okay. Okay, we hear more rushing water, so... Oh, snap, or snap. We're hearing a lot of rushing water. Nope, not yet. Is it over there?
Oh my god.
Look how beautiful. Guys, we get to go in there. How pretty. Okay, y'all, we gotta put our stuff in the locker, so we're gonna get in the water now, and I'm gonna go to my GoPro footage. Waterfall! Lexi, smile. Is it chilly or?
It's freezing.
Okay. Okay. I'm going, Lexi. It's cold. I can still touch here though. You're fine. Lexi, get in the water. Holy shit! It's drowning me, okay. It's freaking bad. It's alright, I'm starting to get used to it actually already. It's okay, just keep moving and then you get better.
I'm just chilling.
Just chill. Do you want to go closer with me?
Okay.
I'm gonna backstroke, yeah. It's better, I think. Go like this. Backstroke. Our life jackets are like choking us. Lexi, stay right there.
You want me to hold it? Right there. Oh, you want to take it out there?
I want to take it, yeah. Oops, sorry. Ugh. This is a struggle. I feel like I'm doing nothing. That's a workout.
I know, I don't feel like freaking out.
That's a real workout right there. I'll swim fast.
Okay.
Just keep like shredding.
Okay, alright.
You don't want to go over there and jump off? No. That's a struggle.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to the waterfall. That was a workout. My goodness. So beautiful. These rocks are slippery. My god. Looks like she. Oh my god, these rocks. Lexi's way up there. My goodness. Okay, y'all, we just went in the waterfall.
We did it.
And we saw a proposal.
Kind of.
Kind of, not really sure.
I think he did, but it was like weird.
It was very casual, so we're not sure.
It was like an older couple though, and they have kids and stuff. But he went, hey, I found this in the water, and then there's a ring, and then he tried to get down, and then he was like, I love you forever, and then he just went on, and then she was like, what? Are you for real right now? And then like,
She was just like, oh,
that was
okay.
but she was smiling the whole bunch, so.
Yeah, I don't know, it was really weird. But we are headed back now out of the valley. We're getting up this hill.
My calves are burning.
Me too. My thighs. We made it up the hill. Maybe Lexi didn't make it up the hill, but we made it up the hill. I said, good thing we're going, oh, you might probably, I didn't even tell you, we're going to watch Spider-Man later today.
It comes out today.
Yeah. So we're gonna go do that later today. And so I was like, good thing we're doing that, because I don't know how much more walking it could take.
We have to walk to get there.
Okay everyone, so we are here at the bus stop. It's very loud, there's a main road right here, but we are waiting for our bus to go back to Honolulu, and then we are going to, I don't know, just kind of chill and like take a shower, and then we are going to go eat dinner and stuff and go to our movie.
Yeah.
Okay everyone, so we are at our bus stop, and it turned out yesterday we didn't go to Turtle Bay Beach, we went to this beach. I don't know how to say that, I'm gonna butcher it. But yeah, we went to this beach, and so, but we still saw turtles, so whatever. But we are waiting for a bus here to come, so yes. Okay y'all, I have made a grave mistake. So here, that bus that was parked on the side of the road, there was a bus parked over there, but they normally never go on that side of the road, you know, they always go in the same direction. Here it turns down the road down there, so we were staring at the bus the whole time.
No, but I swear though, if we get on one of these buses and it takes us and it doesn't turn, what are we gonna do? I'm gonna go up to the driver and be like, can you just take me to Honolulu right now?
We're like so trapped right now. Oh my, it's fine. It's alright, we just gotta wait 40 minutes now. Oh my god, we stare at that bus the whole time.
Wait.
We're like,
I was like, you sure do? You sure? Oh no, it's not on our side.
I swear they're always on the same side. Okay y'all, so we have decided, since we are trapped here for 40 minutes, that we're gonna go see if there's any turtles on the beach. And we will see.
Wait, there's a bus. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait. No, what bus is that? Is that the 52? Was it late? know.
Oh, it's dropping off people.
That scared me. We were like 52, 52.
We got it
Oh
all
my
on camera
God.
too.
We see a turtle! We can't see it right now, I just promise he's there. Where'd he go? I don't know. There he is.
Right here.
Okay, y'all, so I accidentally sprayed myself with the shower, so I'm back to being wet. But we saw one turtle sighting, and we are headed back to the bus station, which we will not miss the bus this time.
I swear to.
Imagine it just takes us all the way back. So, yes, we got it this time. Okay, so bus did not come, and now we're stopped, and the bus is not in service, and we don't know what's going on.
I'm so sunburned.
Okay, y'all, so it is moving, thank God.
Bless America.
Somewhat moving.
I have to shower together at the same time.
Okay, y'all, so we got off the bus now, and we are rushing back to take a quick shower, and then and then we are going to head to dinner and the movies. So we're getting there. We're getting back. Okay, folks, making there in record-breaking time. Lexi's falling behind. Lead with your heels, push with your toes, Lexi. Oh, okay, nobody's in there. Okay, so we got ready. Record-breaking. Oh, rainbow! Look at that's a good one.
There's always a rainbow.
I know, there's always one. But we got ready in record-breaking time. Oh! Just ignore that. I got my cup. Yes, Lexi's friend liked my cup so much, she made Lexi get her one. Pineapple, if you can't tell. Anyways, so we got ready in like 10 minutes.
Now I have to go back exactly where we were.
Yeah. So now we have to go back to the center and
Dinner, and then the movie theater is a little far off.
yeah. So we're gonna do that right now. And yeah, we're gonna go get dinner. Look how beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful.
Here, put this in your purse.
Okay. Okay, y'all, so we have seemed to find our Moana Center, so we're trying to find the main entrance though, because we've never entered the main entranceway, so.
We're really just trying to find the food.
And we're really just trying to find the food court, so yeah. Ooh, pretty caution. Okay, we found the food court. Ooh, yummy. Okay, I have decided to get a crepe. I'm getting this one, so hopefully it's good. She's making it right there. That looks so good. Lexi's currently over there trying to get something to eat, trying to find something, so hopefully she found something. Okay, so I got a ham, turkey, honey mustard, cheese, and lettuce crepe. Lexi got some sort of creation. It's
sweet potatoes, but it's got mozzarella and sausage, and then ranch. It's a corn dog.
Yeah, it's an extreme corn dog. So we're gonna try these. We good?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have left the food court and we are currently on the way to Target because I want some candy before we go. And then we're gonna head to the theater. So, yes. We're hoping this is the right direction to Target. We don't know. We found it.
get it. Oh, I hate this walking GPS.
You guys, you can get a chicken salad. Let me zoom in on this menu. You can get a chicken salad, chicken bowl, cheese dog. What is this menu? Honey chicken sandwich. Okay, y'all, so we are headed back from the theater. How was the movie? So good. I'm walking by this cool building. Look how cool this building is. It's like changes colors. They got their Christmas lights up. It's about a 20-minute walk, and so we are making our way. Okay, everyone, so it's the next morning now and everything, but I'm gonna end this video here so I can start the next one when we're going to Disney Alani Resort. Anyways, so like, subscribe, comment down below if you enjoyed watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. ShayJVlogs.